Miss Ariel here, and you clicked on the craft box. And this week we are going to make a snail. How cute is he? So this will be a fun craft that I'm going to show you how we made, okay? Okay, so in your bag for this week's craft, you're gonna have a sheet of paper, and this is what we're gonna use to trace our hand. That way we have the body of the actual snail. Of course, your snail shell that we're gonna color, your two googly eyes, and then of course your antenna. So what we're gonna do first is you're going to take the half sheet, you're gonna put your hand over top of it, trace it with a pencil or a marker, maybe even a crayon, and then you're gonna cut it out, okay? So you have to be careful when you do that. And then after you cut it out, you're gonna color it whichever color you like, whatever pattern, and you're gonna have to color your shell as well. So I'm gonna do that, and then I will be right back to show you what I have done. Okay, so I went a little bit crazy with my coloring. So I colored my whole hand, different colors, squigglies, different patterns, and I colored my shell with triangles and polka dots. It's a lot, huh? So what we need to do then is, before we glue everything together, we need to get our eyes and our antenna for our snail. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold your pipe cleaner just in half, just like this. That way it's like that. Spread them out a little bit, and then we're gonna glue our eyes onto the ends of our pipe cleaner. And there's a few ways you can do that, where you can use liquid glue, you can use disappearing purple. That part is up to you. It's whatever you have at home, whatever's easiest for you. I'm going to try and do it with my disappearing purple and see if maybe that will make it stay a little bit better. So you want to make sure that you have enough glue on it just so it holds. And then it's gonna look a little bit like this. How cute is he so far? And then what we're gonna do is we need to also glue our body together, so then we can glue our pipe cleaner on. So with your hand, it's a little bit easier to get your body, so it'll look like this. So you're gonna cover up the thumb, and that way we're going to actually put a little smiley right in this area, and then our pipe cleaners are going to shoot out from here. So look a little bit like this. So it'll be important to make sure, so it'll look like this on the back, that you have enough glue just so it stays. And when you do that, make sure you have plenty of glue, because it is a little bit thick of paper, so you want to make sure that it's going to hold in case you want to give it to somebody, hang it up on your fridge at home. That part is entirely up to you. So then, oops, once you do that, ta-da! So we have the body of our snail, and of course the shell that protects the snail. And so what we'll do then is take our pipe cleaner antennas. So same thing, put a bunch of glue in this corner part. That way his eyes are gonna stick out of his body, and ta-da! So we're gonna do that. And then we're gonna do the fun part and giving our snail a mouth. That way he can eat and speak to us, huh? So then once we do that, then ta-da! We have his antennas, which you can make the antennas as long as you like, as short as you like. It's just up to you on where you want to glue it. And then we want to make sure we put a little mouth in this area for him, which I am going to give him a big smiley face. I'm gonna do this. And ta-da! How cute is our snail? He's so cute. I don't know. I think escargot is convincing me that my favorite animal should be a snail. What do you guys think? I hope that you enjoyed this craft, and I hope you guys share with us on Facebook or share with Miss Ariel when you come in your beautiful, beautiful snail, huh? And I hope you like the craft this week. And don't forget to click around and see what else you can find.